Hey kids, today you will learn how to solve 24 times 6 and 37 times 9 using the column method. Let's start learning together. Step-by-step multiplication. Column method. To solve 24 times 6, we use the column method. First, write the numbers in a column. Step 1. Start with the ones column. Multiply 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. Write the 4 in the ones place and carry the 2 above the tens column. Step 2. Next, multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. Now add the carried 2. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Write 14 in front of the 4. Therefore, 24 times 6 equals 144. Final answer, 144. Remember, always start multiplying from right to left. Ones first, then tens. To solve 37 times 9, we use the column method. First, write the numbers in a column. Step 1. Start with the ones column. Always begin on the right side. Multiply 9 times 7. 9 times 7 equals 63. Write the 3 in the ones place because it belongs in the answer. The 6 represents 6 tens, so we carry it and write it above the tens column. Step 2. Multiply the tens column. Now multiply 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. Do not forget to add the carried 6. 27 plus 6 equals 33. Write 33 in front of the 3. Step 3. Read the final answer. The multiplication is complete. 37 times 9 equals 333. Important tips: always multiply from right to left. If the multiplication result has 2 digits, write the ones digit in the answer and carry the tens digit to the next column. Always remember to add the carried number in the next step. By following these steps carefully, you can solve many multiplication problems using the column method. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!